I'm gonna jazz up my my cocoa bar containers. So I just took this mason jar. Now this one I did get Dollar Tree candlestick, and it's just one of these glass candlesticks. And I did E6000 it last night. So you can use any ribbon you want. I got this from Big Lots. This probably from Walmart, but you use any ribbon that you want. And I opted to use some of this from Michael's. It's that furry, kind of like that furry ribbon. So I just cut a strip of my ribbon, and I'm just gonna put a little hot glue on here, and that. Okay, so I just put a little hot glue there in the front, and I'm gonna put a little here, maybe on the side. Okay, so we're just looking like this right now. And so I'm gonna put my little strip of fur. Yes, I put the little Christmas tree on here. So I don't want to glue mine. You can if you want to, but I'm not. I'm not gonna glue mine. I'm just gonna pin it on here. So all I did was pin mine on here. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some hot glue there in the back. Okay. So far we are looking like this. And so we got this one. I'm using this bling wrap, this silver bling wrap. Okay, so I'm just gonna use a piece of this, and it's easy to cut, and I'm using 2 strands here for this because that fits perfectly on there. And I'm just gonna hot glue it. And there, oh, sorry. There you go. Okay, so y'all, I have this filled up with my little spice drops here. And what did I, so that's one container that we've got ready. On something like this, okay, I opted to just put some jute on it. Real easy. Let's see how much I need. So all I'm doing with this is just wrapping it with jute, tying a little bow right there in the front, and I am going to use the sleigh, and isn't that cute? And the little deer. That is so stinking cute. Like I said, I'm leaving these pins intact. I don't want to take them off. Okay. And you can just arrange it how you want to, but that's how it's going to look on your little glass. And so that, and then we also have, I did a milk glass like that. Like I said, I had these milk glasses, and I just put one on that as well. So that, look at that deer, isn't he cute? I love the deer. I love him. So far we've got our cocoa jar here, and I got a little scooper in there. Got your little spice drops. You got some wafers, and y'all can't forget your peppermint, right? Your candy canes. So there's my little angel there on that. And Merry Christmas. I use the Merry Christmas on this for my marshmallows. I thought that was cute. Okay. Yeah, you can do something like this. Put that, and I've got the silver tray here that I've used. And you can just decorate, you know, however.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.